Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm sharing with you my nightly hair care routine. So if you're interested in finding out how I care for my natural hair before bed, then this video is for you. So there are two ways in which I carry out my nightly hair care routines, and this will vary depending on how I've styled my hair that particular day. Don't you just love that feeling when you've taken your hair down from a puff or a high bun? I certainly do. Anyway, so the first routine is showing you what I do when I've taken my hair down from a hairstyle. And if you've been watching my videos for a while, then you know that I like to handle my hair in sections all the time because it makes the maintenance of it easier and each section can be dealt with properly. So I'm just going to use a hairband to keep my hair separated on one side, and then I'm going to separate the other side into two. So starting with the back quarter of my hair first, I'm going to spritz that entire section with some water. And then once that's done, I'll separate that section into two before adding some of the, you know what, my favourite Aunt Jackie's Instant Detangling Therapy for Moisture. And I'm just going to smooth the product into my hair, making sure that it's fully absorbed within my strands. Next, I'm going to separate that section into two more sections before twisting up that entire section. So this particular routine takes up to 20 minutes to do, sometimes shorter depending on the number of twists that I'm doing, but for the sake of this video I wanted to take my time and show you guys the process properly and in more detail. Also, when I'm twisting my hair, I always avoid twisting it all the way down to the ends unless I'm doing a twist out, mainly because I find that when it comes to unraveling them, the ends kind of get caught on themselves, which is so annoying. So I tend to leave about an inch or less of hair free. I mean, do you guys experience this at all? It'll be interesting to know. So I'm just going to repeat the same process again on this entire section. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 twists in that section, and these are the amazing long stretchy bands I'll be using. I'm not sure of the material, but these bands are really stretchy, they're fairly soft, they're gentle on the hair, and they don't snag or pull in it either, and I'll be using 2 of them on this section of my hair. I'll put the details in the description box of where I got them from as well. And that's how it looks. And that's another one done as well. And on to the other side. Okay, so an important step here. This is how loose I keep my bands at the roots of my hair so that it doesn't cause any breakage when I'm covering and tucking my hair underneath my headscarf. Then I'll just get my satin headscarf and cover my head ready for bed. And in case you're wondering, yes, my headscarf stays on all night because I know some people have issues with theirs falling off, but luckily for me, I hardly have any issues with that. And that's the first part of my routine complete. So let's rewind things right back again. So this is also something else that I do, another part of my routine that I do when I'm at home and I haven't really done much to my hair and it's just left in twist. So I'll spritz my hair with water and add a moisturising product as you previously saw. But then some nights I like to do a scalp massage using a combination of oils, and I like to apply it to all the parts of my hair first, and then once that's done, I'll go in between each sections of hair, just making sure that all areas are covered. So this routine is the quicker one of the two because my hair is left exactly how it is, so I'm not taking down my twists or anything like that. I'm just applying everything over the top of them. But there are 1 or 2 days in the week when I do take them down, and that's just to do a quick finger detangle to remove any shed hairs and tangles that may have built up on my hair. So again, just going in between the partings and applying a fair amount, basically enough to be able to massage the oils into my scalp in order to reap the benefits. So my edges are naturally fine and are the most fragile and tender part of my hair, so I always have to be careful when massaging those areas because they easily get damaged. So I try to rub rather than massaging into my scalp so it doesn't get too weak. So the massaging technique I use is by starting at the front of my hair using circular motions with my fingertips and then moving onto the crown, then towards the back areas, and then on the left and the right side of my hair. So scalp massages have so many great benefits for the hair. It helps to stimulate and encourage hair growth. It enhances blood flow and circulation to the hair follicles. It conditions the scalp. It strengthens the roots of the hair, nourishes the hair shaft, prevents a dry and itchy scalp, and increases hair thickness. So lastly, whenever my hair feels extra dry, I'll not only moisturise it, but I'll also seal my hair with oils as well, just to lock in all that moisture. As mentioned earlier, I only apply the oils over my twists rather than undoing them. The oils that I'm massaging my scalp with is coconut oil, extra virgin olive oil, vitamin E, rosemary oil, lavender oil and peppermint oil. And then once again I'll add the stretchy bands before covering my hair with my headscarf. So that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any questions. Also remember to click the like button if you did enjoy it, and remember to subscribe to see more videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, bye.